What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I have this beautiful look for you guys. It is so summer, spring. I just couldn't help myself. It looks super tropical, and then the glitter is just the cherry on top. I hope you guys like it. I am obsessed on how this came out, as I always am. Also, I do want to throw out there, I know I have been posting a lot of short videos. I'm sorry about that. I love the short videos. They're so cool to me. I hope you guys are enjoying them, but I will be throwing long videos like the one that you're seeing today. And if you're not subscribed, go ahead, girl. What are you waiting for? So I gotta show you the palette I'm going to be using today. It's the Be Perfect Carnival XL Pro palette. I'm like trying to read it through the screen, but yes, it's from Stacey Marie, and I love her. I'm obsessed with her work. So I gotta show you the colors, guys, because if you've never seen this palette, oh my god, you're missing out. Look at the colors, guys. You have a lot of color combos. You have neutrals, you have cool tone, you have warm tone, you have highlighting colors. Like, these are beautiful. If you guys want a video where I literally just swatch everything and talk to you guys about the colors and what I think, let me know in the comments. I'm so down to do that for you guys. But I will give you a closer look. The pigment on these guys are insane, and I cannot wait to show you in the tutorial part. You'll see that I literally had to do no work, and I got this beautiful blended look, and I hope that you guys like it. Also, I do want to throw out there that as soon as I hit 1,000 subscribers, I will be doing a huge giveaway. Don't forget to subscribe. That giveaway is going to be really good. So without further ado, guys, let's jump right in. As always, I'm going to be starting off with this concealer from Tarte in the tone Light, and applying this with a brush from Morphe. Everything that I'm going to be using will be in the description box below for you guys. Starting off with this green. It's so pretty. It literally reminds me of St. Patrick's Day. I'm going to stamp my brush in there, and then I'm going to be applying this color above my natural crease, applying the color on there first and then blending it all out. As you can see, I'm only taking it about halfway in because I will be applying more tones. So now going back to the palette, I'm going to be using these two tones. They are insane. I love them both together. I'm going to saturate my brush, and then I'm going to start applying this on the side of my crease, or I should say the side of my eye. I am leaving a little space in between because I want this to be a gradient effect. So I want to apply the darker shade on the outside. Make sure I'm blending this in words, and then also applying more color if I need it. Now for the in-between color, I'm going to mix these two tones together, and I'm going to start applying this in between that first tone and that second tone. Make sure that this is more of a gradient effect. So I want it to be the green, then the darker green, then the blue, and blending everything together as I go. I love to blend, guys. Always make sure you blend everything together. Now I did go ahead and add a second coat of all the colors that I used. I love to go back and saturate the colors. It makes it more vibrant, and I personally love it. So that's what I'm doing now, and making sure that that blue is very present in the look, because to be honest, I love this blue. Now I'm going to go in with a small blending brush and taking that like lime green and that other green, applying this above my crease because I want this to be as blended as possible. And then I'm going to go back and apply that green and mix it in with that blue one more time, and apply this above the crease one more time. And then I'm going to go back in the palette and apply these three tones, which are so pretty together. And I'm going to blend everything out in the outer part of my eye. As you can see, I want everything to be very well blended. Going back with these two blue tones, I'm going to apply this on the outer part of my eye, making sure I'm working the color in. And like always, guys, make sure you blend. Now taking another bigger brush, I'm going to blend one more time. You guys are probably annoyed of me blending, but it's necessary, at least for me. Now it's time to cut the crease. I'm using the same concealer and this brush that I always use for Morphe. Now this part is totally up to you guys. If you guys want to cut it lower than me, go ahead. If you want to cut it even way more above than me. It's all up to your preference. I love to cut it this way and I love the result. So I'm making sure that everything is well coated with the concealer and they are looking similar as in both eyes. Now taking another brush, this is a packer brush, and taking that lime green, which is beautiful, I'm going to apply it on my eyelid, exactly on top of the concealer. I'm going to be patting this and making sure that everything is very well coated. So this has been a voiceover until now. Like, I am so impressed with the pigment on this palette. In this palette, blah, 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 blah. I don't think I have a palette that the colors are this insane, guys. Like, you see, I am not putting a lot of effort. I am not, like, going crazy, digging in every single color. Like, this palette, I think this is a bit... I can't even talk, you see? And I haven't even had coffee in, like, 10 hours. I don't know. Anyways, this palette has to be the best one I have so far. Like, I'm impressed. I am so impressed. I cannot wait to buy them all. They are a little bit expensive, like I told you guys in the beginning, but I mean, like, come on. Like, pigment, like, what? Going back into the palette, I'm going to take this green, the one that I started off with, and I'm going to be applying this in between the lime green and the blue. Make sure that is very well blended. I want the colors to be seen but also very well blended. Now going back to these two tones, I'm going to be applying this on the outer part of my eye. Like I said a million times already, guys, make sure that it's well blended. At the end, trust me, it is so worth it taking your time. And now I'm going to be applying this on the lower part of my eye, blending as I go. And I'm going to take this only halfway in my eye, not literally in my eye, but you guys know what I mean. Going back into that green, I'm going to apply this in the inner 1/3 of my lower lash line. Make sure that it's very well blended. And then going back to that lime green, I'm going to apply it right there in my inner tear duct. Now to apply the glitter, I'm using this glitter glue, this brush, and these glitters from Candice Cosmetics. I am obsessed with these glitters, guys. They are really nice. They have chunky glitter, smaller glitter, and overall, they're really, really nice. So I went ahead and I applied the line of glue. I waited a little bit, and then I applied 4 of the chunky glitters. If you don't want to apply chunky glitter, you can go ahead and apply smaller glitter. Or if you don't like glitter at all, it's up to your preference, guys. I personally love the little extra touch of glitter. It took the look to another level. And as always, take your time doing this step. I also added glitter on the bottom, as you can see. Now it's time for the mascara. I'm going to apply an even coat on my bottom and top lashes, getting them ready for the falsies. These are from Beauty Creations in the style Hyped. Now it's time for the lippy. This one is a matte liquid lip, and I had to top it off with a gloss. You guys know that I love glossy lips. They look so beautiful and juicy, and it looks really good with this look. And this is the final look. Let me know in the comments, what do you think? Because I love talking to you guys. I love interacting with you guys. I will come a little closer so you can see the blend a little bit more. I am obsessed on how this turned out. It's so pretty. Like I said, it's super tropical and I cannot wait for the summertime. And to me, the little glitter was just the cherry on top. I haven't done a look like this and I am obsessed. I hope that you're obsessed too. I am gonna say it again. If you don't own this palette, you need it. It's so, so good, guys. They have another 3, I believe, and I'm going to be ordering them soon. I want them all. The pigment is insane. The price, I believe I paid either around 50 or a little bit more. I don't remember. I'll leave it on the screen. But to me, it's really worth it because the colors are beautiful. I'll show them to you again. The colors are beautiful. You get highlights. You get everything. You don't need no more. I do also want to give a huge shout out to Candice Cosmetics. They probably don't know who I am, but I love their stuff. Like, their glitter sets are always so pretty and they're very affordable. I love the fact that you get chunky glitter, smaller glitter, and like super like fine glitter. I'm not getting paid to say this, guys, but I really like their glitter. You guys should really go check them out. I know they're on Instagram, so go check them out. I love these kind of sets. And everything else I have on my face, I will leave it in the description box below. And if anybody has any question, do not hesitate. Leave it in the comments, DM me on Instagram. I will get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. Everybody that has been subscribing, thank you so much. And if you're not subscribed, like I said, subscribe, because that giveaway is going to be super good. I will see you in the next video, guys. Take care. Bye for now.